Correction to Turnip C here. Welcome back to another Infinity Processing System review. In this video today, I'm going to talk about how do you get paid with Infinity Processing System. Infinity Processing System is hot. Everyone wants to know, like, how are myself and how are others making money with Infinity Processing System, and how do we actually get paid? Okay, so the first thing let me start by saying what Infinity Processing System is. Infinity Processing System is a digital home-based business opportunity where you are able to get direct payments to yourself of $50, $150, and $300 commissions to the payment processor of your choice. The payment processors that we have options for are PayPal, Stripe, and Zelle, right? And you're able to receive those commissions, 100% of that, when you earn a commission direct to you. Now, the beauty of Infinity Processing System is it's not just a home-based business opportunity. It's not just a way to increase cash flow and earn $50, $150, and $300 commissions, but it is a digital training platform where it's going to teach you how to leverage social media and attraction marketing and posting free ads to be able to draw people to you that are interested in any product, service, opportunity that you want to promote, and be able to attract leads and sales. And once you learn that skill set, you can make money for a lifetime on social media. Okay, so that's that. I actually really love the platform because it's simple to understand. A beginner can come in and not be overwhelmed and get to work applying the strategies. Okay, well, let's talk about, I already said how you get paid again. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I almost dropped my phone. So I already said that the three options, Cash App, Zelle, and Stripe, are typically the payment options with Infinity Processing System. So those are just some ways that you can get paid. And did I mention PayPal? PayPal as well. I just don't use PayPal, so I was like, eh. But yeah, PayPal is also an option as well. All right, so that's how you get paid. And again, when you make a commission, it goes direct to you. There's no company, cutting out a percentage, or they're like, oh, you make a commission, we take 80 and we give you 20. No, you get 100%. Pretty powerful stuff. Okay, so what I want to do right now is hop into my computer and show you proof that Infinity Processing System works. Show you how it works, show you how our members are getting results, and take you inside the membership area. Let's hop inside my computer. I wanted to quickly show you some member results. So here we have one of our members says, do the work, be able to get these commissions with no monthly fees. And if you can see here, this member has made multiple commissions at the really at all the levels, but mostly the elite and the pro level. So multiple $150 and $300 commissions. And then we also have a member who received a $150 commission payout from someone joining Infinity Processing System and just applying the strategies. So I am here in my payment processor, and I have made at this point well over almost $5,000 in $300 commissions from this through this payment processor and another payment processor. So just want to show my proof. So I am inside the members area where you get training from a multiple six-figure earner who shares her secrets on attraction marketing and exactly step by step how she uses marketing to be able to grow on social media. So some of the things that you're going to have access to are the pre-written ads, which are here, and you get ad copy. You can use these straight out of the gate to be able to grow on social media. Let me actually get over there. So these are like some of the pre-written ads that you have access to, and they even have image ads at the bottom that you can use on social media to immediately start getting attraction, leads, and sales on social media with this product. Okay, so those are the pre-written ads. I'm gonna scroll back up. Give me 1 second. It's taking me a little bit longer than what I thought. And with that, you're also gonna get access to Essentially, these are mini courses on how to market on different platforms, and you can pick what platform you want to be on, whether it be Facebook, whether you want to be on YouTube or TikTok, so on and so forth. The other things you get access to is right here. You're gonna let me scroll up. You're gonna know exactly what to say when people ask you for information. You're given a closing script. You're given a step-by-step blueprint, a 7-day action plan for success. Okay, and you're given some other high-level training on how to automate your business and how to set up a funnel, which helps you kind of have more passive leads and sales once you set that up. So this is what you get access to. If you had to pay for all of these courses separately, you would pay a lot of money, but you get all of that included in Affinity Processing System. If you're ready to get started, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, where you can learn all about the training platform and how you can get access to our $300 blueprint. And that's it. So link will be beneath this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.